we have a killer dumbbell bicep workout. What's up, my fitness family? Brent Kasmer here with BKPT. Drum roll, baby. I know, it's what all you guys have been waiting for. Is how to put it together, what to do, what order. So, I'm gonna give it all to you. You ready for it? Let's have an awesome killer dumbbell bicep workout. All right, so I'm gonna start off with an exercise. Oh my goodness, I forgot to say it. Are you subscribed? Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Also, mash that notification bell, the way you're notified as all my content is dropped. I know, it's important. You don't want to miss anything because I am putting out there some relevant stuff. So that way you get the most out of your workouts, the most out of your nutrition. You got a great mindset in crushing your health and fitness goals. And if you're having problems, go to BrentKasmer.com, click on Work with Brent, so that way you have exactly what you need. You got the roadmap on your workouts, your nutrition, to get the most out of it. And that way you can be and feel athletic at any age you're at. Because I want you guys to be out there experiencing life and not watching it. Let's go ahead and get started and get these biceps blowed out, baby. All right, so we're gonna start off with dumbbell bent over row curl. What is that? So it's everything that I teach you not to do, but in this video we're gonna do it. So normally when we do a row, we want to make sure you're pulling it back towards your hips, making sure you're getting your rhomboids super engaged. But this exercise, actually turning it into a curl and an improper row, would make it very beneficial to your bicep because you're able to go heavier than you normally can go in any bicep dumbbell exercise. All right, so you're bent over, and just to give you a heads up, we're gonna go 3 to 6 repetitions, always aiming for 6. And if you're not getting 3, then you need to drop the weight, all right? So we're gonna start off with a bent over row curl. 8, 4, 5, 6. That felt good. Going right to a dumbbell incline curl. So, laying back, feet together. Same thing, at least 3, going for 6. Elbows are behind you. Working on the long head of the bicep here. Throwing it up, good rotation. To a single arm preacher curl. So keeping that elbow tight on that bench. Oh yeah. Those are our first 3 exercises. Here we go. We're gonna do this 3 times. So, next 3 exercises are gonna be alternating cheek curls with a negative, and then it's gonna be followed by a seated top half curl, followed by drag curl. Okay, alternating cheek curl. So cheek curl, swing it up. It's not pretty, but control it on the way down. I like doing it one arm at a time because one, less pressure on your back, so you don't hurt your back. That way you don't get all the pressure in the back. And with one arm going at a time, you can get more weight, and you can get it up there. Right to a seated top half curl. Getting that bicep fat, nice and wide, thick, some depth to it. All right, so I want my wrists on my knee, nice and tall, core's tight, and just doing the top half of a bicep curl right up to them shoulders. All right, drag curl. So keep those dumbbells nice and tight to your body. Standing up. Let's see some fireworks. All right. Holy smokes, man. Biceps are pumped. Getting good. First, make sure you get those dumbbells nice and in the middle, the way you're not off-centered. Extra life. Here we go. Dude. Squeeze them. Oh. Oh, come on. Okay. Seated, top half. Here we come. Hey. 4. 2 more. Are you ready for this last one? Good, I'm glad you are. We're gonna do the bottom half curl, top half curl, and then some full curls. It's a wonderful finisher. All right, here we go. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, okay, top half. Hey, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May the force be with you. 1, 2, 3, numb. 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. Bam! We just killed them biceps with some dumbbells. That's what we did. Oh my goodness. So, banging out some 30s at the end, finishing those biceps off. But guess what we just did? And you're getting ready to go do? You just took some notes, you're gonna go hit it, and you're gonna kill those biceps with some dumbbells in your next workout. All right, Brent Kasmer here with BKPT. Don't forget, like I said, subscribe. Come on, man. Take a second, hit that subscribe button. You did it, thank you. All right, also, mash that notification bell that way you're notified when the next videos come out. And also, show me some love, give me some likes, and pop in the comments maybe some of your favorite dumbbell bicep exercises. I will see you guys in the next video.